Hi, I'm Sins of the 2019 Acura ILX. The feature I'm going to go over with you today is the collision mitigation braking system. This is a standard feature in the new 2019 ILX. So you notice if you look to the left, you have this little indicator with a little star. So that's where you would turn it on and off. So you notice if you press it, nothing really happens. But if you hold it down, then you'll get an alert in the center screen saying the system is off, and a light on the bottom to let you know that the system is off. So if you want to re-engage it, all you do is just hold that button down again and it'll turn on. And what that system does is if you're approaching a car too fast and you're not applying the brakes, first it'll alert you and say brake in the center screen, and if you still don't apply the brakes, it can apply the brakes for you. So it's a system that can help prevent an accident. It's not guaranteed that the car will stop, but it will lessen the damage. I hope that helped. If you have further questions about this feature or another one, please leave it in the comments. Thank you and have a great day.